we go, guys. A nice sunset, a little Zorro signature there, and
I'll earn my pay one way or the other.
You can't win!
Yeah, baby!
Another day gone, guys. Actually, I see some shadow right there. Shadow right on top of there. Also seeing the gnats. The gnats are a pain in the summer. Can't do anything. You gotta wear a mosquito net.
Let's put a smile on that face.
When you're living in the woods like this here. I don't know if we could pick up the wind turbines. Wind turbines somewhere around down in there. That's all the zoom I got. The gypsy worms chewing on everything. They're chewing on the leaves and the trees, and they're pooping at the same time. It just keeps coming down, you know, it just keeps coming down. The gnats are actually trying to get in my eyes, but I'm really close to the camera, so they're in front of the camera now. Darn things, I can't stand them. They get in your eyes. I already had 2 in my eye. They just come right back. See that? Anyway, we got a plane coming up by the moon.
Say hello to my little friend!
Can we find the moon? Barely. Barely. The moon right there, guys. Barely white. And there's a plane flying right towards it. Plane flying right underneath. Can you see it? It's moving to the left. Go right under the moon, gone. It's heading to the left now. And with that,
prepare to attack. All hands battle stations.
y'all have a good night. I'll see you hopefully tomorrow or the next day, whenever I get the chance to.
You're really a loser.
You're not gonna change anything.
See you on the next one.